friends, welcome back to Biotech Track. I'm Mishika from Biotech Track is here with another opportunity video for you all guys. So are you passionate about scientific research and eager to gain hand-on experience in the world-class laboratory? Then Biotech Track is here to help you out to figure out the programs. So today we have NCBS Winter Internship Program. So NCBS is the National Center for Biological Sciences. Applications are open for Winter Internship Program 2026. It's a unique opportunity designed to nurture young scientific talent and develop essential research skills. This is the 2-month internship program dedicated to advanced study in biology. The program begins on January 5, 2026. So we can see that कि January 2026 और 5th of January से यहाँ अपना internship program start हो जाएगा. And the aim to provide student with exposure, professional guidance from expert in various areas of science and technology. If we scroll down, we can see that the whole detail of this internship program. The duration of this internship is for 2 months and the location will be NCBS campus only. The selected intern will receive a stipend of 10,000 per month, making a fully funded opportunity. So this internship will be fully funded. Additionally, accommodation will be provided at NCBS. So we have the perks here that the whole internship will be fully funded. Okay, and on the other side you will get a stipend of 10,000 per month. During this internship, participants will work in research laboratories. They will get an opportunity to learn modern laboratory technique, analytical method and data interpretation skills which are vital for their career. If we scroll down, we can see the criteria for this internship program. So the program is open for final year bachelor's and master's student in STEM field, science, technology, engineering and mathematics. Also, the applicants must have a strong academic background. This program will not only enhance your technical skills but also will be providing and preparing you for future research programs. Now let's see the application requirements. So first we need an updated CV highlighting your educational background, technical skill and relevant coursework or projects. A 1-page statement of interest applying there and explaining their motivation for applying. Name of 3 references, ideally academic mentor or professor who can vouch for the applicant ability and commitments. Applicant must be currently enrolled in an educational institute at the time of application. The deadline for this internship is November 15, 2025. If we scroll down, we can see the QR to apply and we have attached the form link here too. If we click on this link, we will get our application form for this program here. Now here you have to fill your application form with your name, email, phone number, gender and your all education details. Here you have to upload your CV using the JK Scientist format. For your CV and SOP, Biotech Track is here to help you out. Our team member will help you with your CV. For this, all you have to do is to just follow Biotech Track on LinkedIn and join our community on WhatsApp. Now here you have to upload a page statement of interest. And at last you have to upload your live experience statement in 300 words in which you have to share your lived experience reflecting your personal and professional journey. This is how your form will be get filled and your application form will be get completed. For more detail, you can just subscribe to our channel, follow us on LinkedIn and can join our community on WhatsApp too. Thank you.